Namaskaram to all of you. I am Dr. TPS. I'm in Hyderabad. It's 20 years of social activity after my retirement from Space Department. Dr. GBK Rao and me met on 26th January first time when one of the concept of starting an activity where we can intervene the national education policy implementation. In that context, we wanted Dr. GBK Rao to talk today, but he was focusing on what Pragati is doing. That has a lot of things to contribute to the activity. But what we look is not that small arrow part of looking at introducing plans to people or learn. That's a different subject, as Prabhakar ji said. So as a continuation, what is that we had discussed? I got into touch with Veda Sanskriti Samiti, and the great Prabhakar ji and me had long discussions, hours together. I was hunting for his telephone number and wanted to push what we do to understand each other, and through him got a lot of contacts. See, that is what we can contribute. When I talked to Prabhakar ji, immediately he connected me to second person, third person, fourth person. We had a lot of dialogue, and we found that there is a discussion which we wanted to have under the umbrella of Veda Sanskriti Samiti for taking this forward. So today we are here for a very specific activity based agenda. We are not here to teach anybody the philosophies. I have been under philosophy ICPR giving thousands of lectures. I found that we have to get into action, but it's nice that we had two topics given, which I actually dragged GBK Rao inside this discussion, because we found that education doesn't happen just because of brain is not concretized with basic food. Right? So, in that context, yado anna stato manaha. Mind has got a great deal. Without mind, I cannot talk about Shariram also. Sharira manaso yoga paraspara manubrajet adhara adheya bhavena taptajya kadayoriva. Arshatirtha Swamini told exactly the same thing, what we need to be stable. Otherwise, we cannot take it forward. I am sure myself and Krishna, who with that group only I came to know Prabhakar ji, we were discussing for probably more than 20 years now. We had another day a satsang in A.S. Rao Nagar, in which Krishna was also present. Krishna ji is here. He is doing great job of propagating this idea, the Sanatana Dharma. When we look at Sanatana Dharma, there is Ishta Karma and Purta Karma. Environmental and Swa. Everybody is the Swadharma, Kudumba Dharma, Samuha Dharma, Rashtra Dharma, and Vishwa Dharma. We have to get into different steps. We have to undergo through the Brahmacharya to Garhastya to Vanaprastha to Sannyasa. We have to balance our Kama, Artham, Dharma to get into Moksha. We need to get into the Saptashuddhi every day. Pranapanam, Vyanodhana, Samanam. Every thought process also need to be. But what is there? We have to start. It is not knowledge. The other day, we have a great person here among us. He is in Pune, but he is a person who is in Canada. He works on geopolitics. He works on almost all the Vedantic studies. We had a long dialogue. He has flown from Pune to here to have long discussion with us. It is not the knowledge what we are concerned about. I think what we should concern about, the concern which we have today under this umbrella we are discussing. We don't know whether the next generation have this concern. Everybody agree we have to take this Vedic knowledge to the next generation. At least we have this concern. I don't know whether the next generation will have that concern and commitment. So what is that we can inculcate as a quest, a creativity, an access to these knowledge, there is a 20-second principle which says why, where, when, what, how, wow. This we will ask only instantaneously. In 20 seconds that response has to come. If it doesn't come, then you are not for that. How do you get that concern and quest for the children? That is what I am sure all the people, either Colonel Vijay or Chanchalji and me had long discussions. He is doing a great job in Pune and I think Aurangabad. Yeah, Aurangabad. We were discussing on that. So in Hatchpatch we discussed a lot of things. So we wanted them to come together, all of us. The other day we had the Tirupati. We had long discussion after Prabhakarji made me to contact them, and then the other day in Sri Dharmapuri colony we had long dialogue on different aspects. Many people have put different points, but if you have got a better view, I am sure you can agglomerate the whole thing and then put into the curriculum. Because we don't have curriculum. We don't have co-curriculum. What we have is two vidyas, avidya and savidya. Where what will fix is what we have to fix it now. Otherwise, what will happen? It is only aharam which we are concerned. No, we should not be concerned only with aharam. Ahara nidra bhaya maithunani samani chaitani nranam pashunam. Jnanam naranam adhigo vishesho jnane bihina pashubis samana. If you don't have knowledge, you are equal to an animal. So we are more concerned about the knowledge which we grab and how are we going to translate this in a fashion where young children can understand. It is not data. Data is available everywhere. Everybody has got. Lot of literature is there. Vedas are there. Upanishad is there. Brahmanas are there. What is not there? But how are we going to take it to the next generation? How we transform this to information? Wonderful. Ram Mohan ji asked a beautiful question. How are we going to make few points to translate Bhagavad Gita? The other day, Delhi University Philosophy Department with ICPR, Indian Council of Philosophical Research, 2 hours of lecture, 1.5 hours only. The second chapter of Bhagavad Gita, I concretized to put it exactly what is practically useful for the youth. Otherwise, I am sure from Delhi to Mangalore, the youth will not listen to your Bhagavad Gita lectures. We have to tell them how is it going to be useful. So that information content has to be transformed into the youth so that it is the youngest generation 3 years to 8 years. The next generation which is in the teen and adolescence. And the young children, their parents, that's another generation, 20 to 40. So if we can take these 3 generations into confidence, we can transform the knowledge in the way they want it. With a lot of viveka, vivechana, buddhi to understand contextually where to speak, to what to speak, how to speak. Adding wisdom and value so that they will be using it in the society. Any knowledge which is not useful will be waste. I have this, I have this, I have this. So what? People will ask. Are you ready to open it up? Are you ready to share it? So basically we must work with the care, share, love and understand. And our experience has to be converted into what is viable for the people to accept. If we want to do that, I am sure we should satisfy the head. The Uttar Pradesh has to be satisfied. People understand. Yeah, I understand. Not learning. Showing, learning, all that should be stopped. We should make them to understand. How do we do? Avidya is essential. Madhya Pradesh. Udara Nimittam. Without food nothing works. Without job nothing works. Without family no development in this world. So between the head and the udaram we have a heart. The passion. The passion with a profession. Profession with a passion. How do we make sure this is what we guarantee to the people who take this knowledge from us? Then our knowledge transmission becomes smooth and casual. Otherwise it becomes sophisticated just for marks, just for getting into job. That should not happen. It has to be a combination. Then how do we do this? How do we take care of the fivefold development? Physical, emotional, intellectual, social and spiritual. And how do we take this with the Annamaya, Pranamaya, Manonmaya, Vijnanamaya, Anandamaya Kosham Me Shuddhyanta, with the full happiness? If that context is not built in, we look islands. If we can connect them together, is what is being human, that is human being. That is social being, that is being social. Understand the other person. If we can keep this generation, both kids and parents, and therefore the parents have to be ready. We have education for kids, not enough. They will chant slokas. When they go back to the house, the parents will say, why are you doing it? Because their head will not agree. The heart will agree, my child is doing it, is great. In the conference, everybody agrees. But soon after that, they will think, why should I do it? So we have to convince their parents. So educating parents, educating children, both has to go hand in hand. Involved education with the mentor, teacher, parents and students. That's why I keep saying TPS. Teachers, parents and students. That is TPS. If you can have that model, I am sure age 3 to grade 3, 6 years. Grade 4 to grade 10, segregate. Graduate and postgraduate, segregate. We should have everywhere we should have intervention. Making young parents more responsible with the Sanatana Dharma, the Sanatana values. Age 0 to 3, 3 years. 3 to 8, 6 years. 9 to 20, 12 years. 21 to 39, 18 years. 40 to 63, 24 years. Everyone should have a role. That is how probably we should redefine the earlier Garhastya Vanaprastha time into the modern style. NEP exactly says the same thing. 0 to 3 at home. 3 to 8 learn without syllabus, without a textbook, without writing. So how do we teach and what do we teach? Which the first 3 years, how to feed them, how to take care of them. Definitely we must go back to our roots and tell them what is to be fed. How and what food can be given. Once 3rd year to 8th year, it has to be with the Acharya's hand. We must teach them. Create new set of mentors and teachers who will take this as the root. Chirapuratana, most advanced, Nitya Nutana. That is Sanatana. We should not be lagging behind the modernity. Otherwise, these children will become islands in the next world. How do we do this? That is what we have to discuss, and that is what the idea which I wanted to push. Create a team of members who will support this movement. That is most essential. If you do that, assimilation of ideas, how to implement it in different situations, because localized. We don't want single syllabus in the whole India. What happens in your place may not be what happens in a rural village. What happens in a village will not happen in the city. So we must mold that, but we must have a common platform where we can share these concerns and experiences so that we can modulate, we can create a new direction. Once this direction is set, then the speed can be set. Then we can create, concretize it. That is what we have done so far. We had many private discussions. We had a lot of discussions, including people working at the different NGOs. We have gone on 26th in Pragati, 29th in AS Rao Nagar, the 2nd February in Sri Dharmapuri. We are going to have many more such things. How do we fit in? The 10+2 of the present education system is going to be 5+3+3+4. We will make it 6+3+3+4. The 6 years, age 3 to grade 3. The first 2 years, they will only learn Sanskrit slokas and mother tongue thoroughly. I am sure that 3 years, if they learn Sanskrit slokas and mother tongue, in the whole life it will have a bearing. And then the next few years, they should have logical. The language skill, then logic. The logic is mathematical language. It is not mathematics, computation. It is mathematical logic, the language of logic. If I can do that, I am 100% sure they will be thorough in most of the science. And promoting this without a test paper, without competition, forming, not informing, creating, not learning. It is understanding. The freedom to share, freedom to express, freedom to appreciate, learn to appreciate, which is lacking today. If we can make this orientation for the teachers, for the parents and for the young children, I am sure the age of 6, 7, 8, these 3 years, we can mold them into learning the advanced languages whichever they want. Either it could be for learning subsequently in all the subjects. Otherwise, it will be hard for those people to get into the society. So this can be done in a good environment. That is where we thought probably the farm like GBK Rao's, or there may be many. Every part of the world cannot come to one place. We should have different places where we will have these clusters. All of them will come together, join together to share. We need to have an experiential learning, not like Aya and boss. That should not happen. Everybody should be like sharing. When children come to their grandfather's house, we will not look at the grandfather, and I am sure nobody is going to gather around the grandfather. They will look for teenage people to play with them. So I am sure all of us have a role to play. We have a role to guide them. We have a role to form them. We have a role to frame them together. But actual mentoring has to be done with people who are young volunteers. We have to mold them for that purpose. So what are we doing? Different generations we are going to touch to get to that appreciation of what we talk about the Sanskrit language. So minimum 200 slokas. Age 3 to age 4 to age 5. The next 2 years in the young children can learn. I am sure their parents will learn, the mentors will learn. If we can do that, the slokas, subhashitams, exactly explaining that to the next set, next level. So this is what probably we are supposed to do. This is why I said physical, food, emotional with the wow appreciation, intellectual, make them to logically think, so that parents, students, teachers, everybody agrees they are all in the same line. Today they are not in the same line. The biggest problem in Kali Yuga, I keep on telling, the Satya Yuga, we were all living with nature. Treta Yuga, the conflict was between society, Rama and Ravana, two different societies. Dwapara Yuga, the fight was within the family. Now today in Kali Yuga, the fight is between the head and the manas, the heart and the head. It is within us. That is the conflict which all of us have. How do we get rid of this? Uddharet atmanatmanam atmanam avasadhayet atmaiva hyatmano bandhu atmaiva ripuratmanaha. How do we do this? Sthita prajna. Dukkheshu anudiknamana sukheshu vigadaspruha vida raga bhaya krodha sthitatir muniruchyate. How do we get this balanced state of mind? Through food? Yes. Through knowledge? Yes. It's a combination of these two. I'm sure that can make a lot of difference in the society. It is learning and practicing. So we need acharyas who will make the generations, not one, generations to understand with lot of language skill, life skill, and then further the advanced knowledge. So if we can tap this with the different generations, I'm sure all the fivefold development which we have, physical, emotional, intellectual, social and spiritual, that can be attained. The social will not happen if you are not modern, because the society is 80% is modern. So we have to make our children also to be in the society with all equipped before probably they get out of the 8 years. So our children should become, you tell any international student, any student who is able to do that, whatever mathematics they can do, whatever language they can speak, make us to form them to put their head, hold up, the shoulders up, so that they have the Brahmanas here and Kshatriyas here and Vaishyas in the tummy, and they are ready to work like a Shudras. I am sure all in one has to be here. The Varnas have to be within us. We have to identify each portion by portion within us. So if we are creating a school, there should not be a director, there should not be an ayah. Everybody has to become mentors and volunteers, because in a house we have grandfather and a younger brother also. We don't create categories there. Maybe we know to whom to go to get knowledge. We know to whom to go to get food. We know to whom to go to get a patting. Don't worry, that emotional balance. So this is what we must know to whom to go to get money also. So I am sure we create a larger structure, a Gurukulam, which is practically available for our children to live with and we all can play the role of grandfathers, but we must generate the next 2-3 generations. That is what my idea of creating a different school for different generations. Namaskaram to all of you. I am stopping 2 minutes early.
I don't mean that it is stopping, but what I think is the administrative way to think of time also. That is the problem. And a lot of people are there and enthusiastically maybe interested to speak or going to raise questions also. And what I gathered now with this thought is, it is a total overall holistic development is required. And we should have a combined effort with combining all knowledges wherever they are available. And people should combine together and develop a younger generation to take forward. And then what I feel is that we should make him as a present day. Our strength should be transformed into our knowledge. Whatever Sach Kumar is telling should be transformed into a teaching notes, a practical guide, a third form thing is to be formed, a module is to be formed by our efforts, combined efforts. That module we should try to give to each and every school so that they will implement it. So everything cannot be implemented on Shashi Kumar or G.P. Rao or Prabhakar Rao. It has to be done by the total people. In fact, it comes to the school managements and then parents. So this module has to be prepared by us. And that should be transformed to the people at various levels, at various times. So that effort has to be taken care of by Shashi Kumar ji, and with the effort of Chanchal ji and others, and all others, we all should combinedly do together. And Vyasa Samskriti is committed to be a catalyst for doing this works, and we will always with you people to go ahead and to push you forward, to associate you in whatever fashion we can do. And whatever people I can bring, I will bring, and I will try to be in this field for some more time, as long as my health permits. And we will do a good job, and we have to take care of this work as an effort to build up Sanatana Dharma again from the root level, and with the help of Sanskritam and our scriptures, using them right from the 3rd year of the child itself. And 3rd to 8th, nursery to 5th standard is a very critical period. We should mold them and keep in a right groove, right path and right rail, so that the remaining period they will be able to have a proper bent of mind to go in the right path, instead of selecting a wrong things.
Prabhakar ji, the other day we had a long discussion with Kairali Education Society, who is running a school in Malkajgiri. We had association president of 50 schools who had a long dialogue with us with the help of Krishna ji. There are many schools ready for implementing it. What we plan to do is, we will have at least a few sections with nursery to 3rd grade combinedly running in one school. Sukumar ji is here in the group. I think Sukumar ji could add a few points. He has already agreed to run one division in his school. And we are going there to train the teachers.
Okay, very good.
Yeah, maybe we will not create a concrete document. We will do this in 3 months' time, because we need the participation of people. They should also feel their idea is also implemented. It is not like government system. I say make a document and tell you what you should do. That is government system. What we will do is, we have ideas, we will share it. It is good enough for running the next 3 months. We will work together, create a document with each one of their help, so that each one will have their own different aspects, put all of them together, and then we will concretize in the next 1 year.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Sukumar ji is here. Yeah, Sukumar ji is here.
Would like to raise the questions?
Yeah, Sukumar ji is here. Let him talk.
I have discussed with our staff. They are prepared to implement this scheme in our school.
Very nice, sir. Very nice. Thank you, Subbaran ji. Just one minute. What group of...
Dr. Ishwara Garu, in case I can be permitted just for 2 minutes, in case there is time, otherwise we can pick some other time.
Yeah, Colonel Vijay, Sure, go ahead.
I'm waiting for okay from Rao Garu.
Yeah, okay. Dr. Vijay, please.
Thank you, sir. Yeah. Now, I was not prepared for this kind of a thing, a very illuminating and intellectual kind of event. I thank Dr. T.P. Sasikumar and also Dr. G.B.K. Rao for their excellent presentation. Now, I'll come to the point. See, while all these things can go on, we need a multi-pronged approach to meet our objectives and agenda. And one of them is, I'll give a small analogy so that you can understand easily. Now, good old days, the troops, I'm talking about from the army point of view, the troops attacked, then the machines came, guns, tanks and all, and subsequently there was this electronic warfare. Now, while these things, what we are referring to, can go on at grassroots level, I thought we must have some software which will first of all arrest this Western influence of what is going on. You know, I'll give an example. In today's battle, you can have 1,000 tanks, 1,000 aircraft, any amount, but they're all interconnected, guns and all with electronic. If that is jammed, the whole thing will go for a six. Now, what has happened in Europe recently, one of the countries supported by Russia, Azerbaijan, they completely ruined it. There was no British on the ground. So, if you can have that kind of a software which we can create, wherein people will see nothing but today, instead of advertisement, it will be replaced by slokas, it will be replaced by ancient wisdom, saying, no, that has to come so that it nullifies all the adverse Western influences. The time is very short, I have not been able to convey, but I have a plan. I am sure Dr. T.P., he comes from an organization, I think it has got a lot of Bangladesh and also Dr. and so many others are there. And we can take it forward.
We have started now, we'll have a number of meetings like this, and your association is requested, and we will have a number of online meetings and like this we'll discuss and continue these things, and we should form a group and we all should work together on these issues.
Is it Manmohan Reddy is here?
Thank you, Dr.
Dr. Manmohan Reddy is here around? Dr. Manmohan Reddy is here around?
Hello?
Dr. Manmohan Reddy here around? I think he is the man who actually have lot of ideas, who is running such a system.
Who is that?
Manmohan Reddy
Manmohan Reddy. Is he around?
is not seen, yeah.
Anybody else would like to talk on this or any place? Kalaji, please.
Namaskaram, Andy. Namaskaram. I had a request for Dr. G.B.K. Rao actually. There's a lot of foraging that people do, natural environment లో వెళ్ళి ఎప్పుడు మన ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ లో చూసుకుంటాం, ఇది రోడ్ల పక్కన దొరుకుతుంది, మొక్క చాలా ఎక్కువగా దొరుకుతుంది అని. కానీ మీరు ప్రెజెంటేషన్ లో చూపించినట్టు క్లియర్ గా ఉన్నాయి, కానీ ఐ థింక్ there are other varieties also which look very similar. So మీ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ లో ఏమైనా ఇవన్నీ పెంచుతున్నారా? పెంచుతుంటే వచ్చి చూడడానికి ఆపర్చునిటీ ఉంటుందా? At a cost, I'm not saying free of anything, but is there a possibility that we come and see the plants live so that we know what they are actually like and what they smell like, what they feel like? The touch and feel aspect, I think will help us get a better perspective of what the plant is.
Yes.
దాంతో పాటు ఇంకో క్వశ్చన్ ఉంది. మీకు సమ్ 26 తీసుకుని చెప్పారు. చేసి మీ దగ్గర ఉన్నాయా ప్రస్తుతానికి? ఏమిటంటే వాటి పేర్లు చెప్పారు. ఇవన్నీ ఒక చోట ఉంటే చూడటానికి నేను డాక్టర్ ఇంకోటి 50 ప్లాన్స్ చెప్పి చాలా సంవత్సరాల నుంచి మీకు ప్రగతి ఒకేంటి కూడా మీకు చాలా రిఫర్ చేశారు. ఇవన్నీ పాసిబిలిటీ చూడడానికి పాసిబిలిటీ ఉంటుందా? ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు హ్యావ్ దోస్ ప్లాన్స్ విత్ us, how this is possible, can you provide them for money?
Correct.
ఇవన్నీ ఇంకోటి అంటే మీ యొక్క పీపీటీ ప్రజెంటేషన్ ఉందో మీరు షేర్ చేయగలరా? మీ యొక్క టెలిఫోన్ నెంబర్ ఇవన్నీ మీరు ఇస్తే కనుక వన్ థింగ్ విత్ శశికుమార్ ఐ హావ్ కపుల్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ సార్. శశికుమార్ గారు,
Yeah.
are you listening?
Yes.
Sir, there are two aspects basically which I want to refer to. One is it should be a coordinated effort. It can't be individual effort. There should be many hands should to come together to see the light. Because I have seen many individual roles everywhere. Everybody has having one's own mindset, one's own way of approaching the issue. But I think that's only ఇంతకుముందు ఇన్వైటర్స్ వచ్చి మన చేసినప్పుడు ఎవరి కింగ్డమ్ వాళ్ళంటే మనం సేఫ్ కట్ చేసుకున్నారు, మిగతా వాళ్ళు సపోర్ట్ చేస్తూ బయట వాళ్ళకి షుడ్ బి కంబైన్డ్ ఎఫర్ట్ అండ్ టుగెదర్ they can make it really successful. Because every individual has a wonderful ideas. But the only point which is lacking in all of these minds is the coordinated effect. We have to cross over the ego barrier here. I'm very plain and frank actually here. Because everybody thinks that Melbourne project is very good than us. Instead of that, all of these minds come together and they have a concerted effect and a wonderful plan. If not today, tomorrow, if not tomorrow, day after, in a time frame, if we have this kind of an approach and slowly build up on that, probably within a year or two before we leave this body, I think we will at least have some kind of wonderful foundation.
Agree, Gopi Krishna ji. That is the reason.
Please answer your question, please.
That is the reason we are here on this platform. Because Prabhakar ji already agreed that we will work together on this, and that is why when he was asking whether we will make a document, I said no. We will make a document including all the people who are all participants to this. So we will start working step by step. We are not jumping into the 10th step at the first level. We want direction first, then speed.
Agree, sir.
Yeah.
We will have to put all our ideas and then make
A combined effort. A combined effort is what we will do.
a leader is required for doing these things. Sheshkumar, please take care of that.
Yeah.
And then D.P. Rao, please answer the question.
Yeah. This is a Pragati Sudhama. It was earlier named Pragati Resorts. Whatever I shown you, all these plants from the Pragati Sudhama itself. So every plant is available, whatever is been given in the presentation. This www.pragatiresorts.com pragatiresorts.com. You will get every information. All the whatever this webinar, this is been there in the webinar. Whoever is want to go through, there are wonderful these plants, more than 200 available. What I given you in this webinar, I spoke only few. These are all available. The samadhis, all the Trimurtivanam, Panchavativanam, Panchibhotavanam, Navgravanam, Nakshatavanam, Rasivanam, Saptamishivanam, Kadambavanam, these are all the plants is available. You can make in your own house as square foot gardening, vertical gardening, hanging gardening, roof gardening, pot gardening. You name the plant, mostly in the herbal water, Charka has said corn bushy plants, which is for all diseases, all are available, not in one. We grow in lakhs and lakhs of plants. So we have planted the trees itself, more than 45 lakhs plantation, and all ground covers, all ashwagandha, 200 acres.
Great, sir.
200 acres.
Any guide will be there, sir? Any guide, excuse me. Any guide will be there?
Yeah, the guide is, we have a guide for the medicinal plants tour, guided tour. We have enough information. All the vanams are available, which is every plant nursery. We have more than 10 acres nursery, one place. And
Yeah, I visited 10 years back and it was very good at that time itself, maybe much more now.
yeah, now it is totally, even for the Yagna Yaga, we have, even if we supply 100 tons Yagna Samadhis, that is available all the time. It's not that we always keep that Samadhis which for Yagna. The Pragati started the Vedas and Yagna, these two concepts only to future. That Vedas, what they say is the truth, and Yagnas are the only one which teaches us Sugandhim Kristivardhanam. Sugandhim Kristivardhanam means that what aroma it comes from the plants, either through root, flower, bark, or leaf, or seed, or pulp. This is the what we should connect with the nature. So any information, please www.pragatiresource.com. Please go through, you'll have every information. Thank you, Vinay.
Thank you, sir. Seshikumarji?
Yeah.
Sir, your question, sir.
Yeah, there are few questions in the chat. Yeah, there are few questions in the chat box. We will not start in the next academic year because for us, academic year is every moment. Nothing tomorrow, today. We will start the mentor teachers training program immediately, because if we miss this opportunity, this is a beautiful opportunity because of COVID. LKG, UKG, nursery admissions are not happening. My biggest concern was if you don't open it up to young children now, we will lose the year. By June, people will start advertising for admissions in big schools in case after COVID, if everything is opened up by government. So we will lose a big chance. This is the right chance. We should immediately start the training programs, whoever is ready. If we can generate few samples and convince, I am sure by next year many people will come and approach us. So I am so glad there are at least 10 schools ready now. Today itself there are 2-3 people ready to start. So we will, that's what I am saying, we are not concretizing. We will start and we will flow. And according to the modifications required at every moment, we will start modifying. Gopi Krishna made a beautiful comment saying that every individual's work. I am sure I am not here to help Prabhakarji. Prabhakarji is not here to help me. We are helping a society, a generation. So we will work together. I am sure we are here because we can collaborate. We understand each other. We are talking same line, same frequency. So I am sure we have a great responsibility to the next generation. We have been blessed. I am here full time for social service. Nothing is expecting that somebody should get benefit from me. Ena kena prakarena yasya kasyapi dehinaha sandosham janayat pratna tadaivam ishvara pujanam. Nothing else.
Amapi.
Yeah.
Amapi full time.
HP Rao garu, I just want to make one offer. I run a think tank. It's an international think tank. It is called indusresearch.in. And we have 2 people from US, UK, and in India itself, very eminent people. And our objectives are geopolitics and strategy and so many other things. But we have a number of horizontal portals, vertical portals. So we can give you a place to share your ideas and platforms free of cost for next 3 months from my side. I am the president of the that think tank which we have started.
Very nice, sir. Very nice. Kumar, let us associate Dr. Vijay also.
Sure. We are. Everybody has to be together.
You are welcome to please use the platform for all this very noble kind of objective people are doing. That's also from my side. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
We have Nagaraju from Global Model School. Nagaraju is there from Global Model School. He is already.
One second, sir.
Yeah.
Dr. Babu will circulate a form to everybody in the group. Whoever is present, many people who are present are not in my group of 6th February. February 6th group. All are present here. They are directly joined using the link. They are not in my group. So what Dr. Babu will do is he will send a circular to you people. the group now itself, we will put a circular there. Please fill up your ideas, your questions, your association, your help, whatever you want to do, whatever you want to associate, how do you want to associate, how do you want to suggest, what are the ideas you want to share with us, please mention there, that we will circulate to everybody. Please give your, all the people who have attended here, please give your numbers and addresses there, so that we will be in touch and we will work together and we will form a group in future to work better way. Shishkumarji, you were talking something.
Yeah, we have Nagaraju from Global School here. He is also planning to start immediately.
Nagaraj, please welcome.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, myself Nagaraj, principal of the Global Model High School, sir. Yeah, and whatever from my side I can do it, sir. However you want to do, I will tell the parents to do immediately start as the pre-primary is not coming. Whatever you said, from our side we can do it ourselves.
Good.
Already we are able to. This in Kukatpalli, sir.
Kukatpalli, very good. Excellent place.
Yeah.
Is there
We are already run the 2 play schools last academic year also, sir. But due to the COVID, we stopped the 2 play schools also.
Please share your details, sir, in the group. Please.
Yeah, I shared, sir, already.
I think Srinivas is there. Kodambi Srinivas. Srinivas is available here from Pune.
I don't know.
Yeah. Okay.
Chenchanji, are you there? Now, so any more questions? Any more questions? Would like to speak? Please speak.
మన స్పీకర్స్ ఇద్దరు టచ్ చేశారు దాన్ని బాగా చేసినప్పుడు ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ సక్సెస్ అవుతుంది వెరీ మచ్ వన్ ఇన్ విలేజెస్ వేర్ దే ప్రొడ్యూస్ ది మెడికల్ ప్లాంట్స్ బేస్ మెటీరియల్ అండ్ ఇన్ ద సిటీ ఫార్మస్యూటికల్ వ్యక్తి manufacture the good and investing people that will be distributors or investors abroad people.
Your voice is not clear, sir. Your voice is not clear.
Yeah, your voice is not clear.
This is our group. I put
Okay, sir.
Maybe
You can share your idea by typing the message.
Active worker at Tirupati. 1 second, sir, for everybody. Lalita ji is active worker at Tirupati. She would like to share some ideas, please. Lalita ji, please. Everyone, you wanted to talk, right? Lalita ji wanted to talk. She told she wanted to talk.
Yeah, she is there, but somehow she is not coming up.
she just typed in. She wanted to speak.
Lalita Krishna.
Lalita Krishna, right? She wanted to talk.
She is there, but in the mood.
So anybody else? Lalita Krishna, unmute this matter, please.
She may not be near that.
No, just now she typed. I'm sure she must be there around.
She's there. Just now she typed. I have seen it.
Yeah.
Okay, must be having some technical problem.
Possible.
So anybody else would like to speak?
సార్ గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ సార్ నేను తిరుమలయ్య అండి. నేను సార్ గురుజీ దగ్గర చదివిన సంస్కృతము. మన శశికుమార్ గారు చాలా ఎక్సలెంట్ గా చెప్పారు. నవేడేస్ ఇప్పుడు ఎట్లా ఉందంటే అన్ని పిల్లలకు ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ చెప్తున్నారు, రైట్ ఫ్రమ్ బిగినింగ్ ఎల్కేజీ టు ఈవెన్ ప్రైమరీ స్కూల్. ఈ సమయంలో ప్రతి స్కూల్లో కాంటాక్ట్ చేసి ఒక టీచర్ని కానీ, ఒక సంస్కృతం నేర్చిన వాళ్ళు కానీ, సుభాషితాలు కానీ వాళ్ళు ఒక క్లాస్ కనీసం ఒక అరగంటనో గంటనో తీసుకొని చెప్పగలిగితే చిన్నపిల్లలకు చాలా బాగా, అంటే మేము నేర్పిస్తున్నాం ఇప్పుడు చిన్న శ్లోకాలు, అంటే మా మనవులకు ఆల్మోస్ట్ అందుకొరగా చాలా ఎక్సలెంట్ గా చెప్పారు. దిస్ ఈస్ ది బెస్ట్ టైమ్. బ్లెస్సింగ్స్ ఇన్ డిస్గైజ్ అన్నట్టుగా మనకు బయట పిల్లలు ఎప్పుడు ఏ స్కూల్ కు పోవడం.
సరే అదే Balaji, you are in Bangalore nowadays?
No, I'm in Hyderabad.
Oh, Bala, Vijay.
I'm again in Hyderabad.
Lakshmi is under. Lakshmi Vijay.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good, Prabhakarji. We could make it at last.
Please leave your messages and phone numbers so that we will be in touch. Everybody.
Okay, sir.
I have given the website address as well as my email. Do get in touch of you. Those of you think
Sure.
you would like to work together. Thank you so much.
Sridharji, thank you very much.
Thank you all.
Thank you, GBK. Dr. GBK, thank you.
Thank you. We'll be in touch.
ధన్యవాదాలు.
ధన్యవాదాలు గురువు గారు.
నమస్కారం. లక్ష్మీ ప్రదీప్ గారు నమస్కారం. Please leave your number so that we will be in touch. Josna garu, please leave. Please your
నమస్కారం సార్.
please your message and number.
Manmohan Reddy, you are here. I was calling you.
Calling, but it has gone somewhere. Somehow, at the end, really, I was very impressed by your kind of the presentation. That's you are saying no. We are very much concerned. I don't know. The next generation will have the same concern. That idea, it has been impressed and it has really mesmerized me. There.
No, I wanted you to speak. That's why I called you. You are not there. Similarly, Srini was also guaranteed that he will be there, but he was missing.
Yeah.
It depends on how effectively you put forward in their minds.
Actually, Prabhakarji, this is the man who pulled me inside. He is responsible for all that what I am doing.
Thank you. It's all your greatness to say like that.
No. It's all because of him.
Nice of you.
Anyhow,
Change our ideas, more ideas, sir. Please with our group so that we arrange this, sir. Manmohan Reddy garu.
I'm running a school. I'm an organic farmer.
Oh, very
I'm
nice,
a
sir.
sportsman.
Ekkada, sir? Where location?
Malakpet. I stay in Malakpet.
Malakpet. Oh.
Malakpet ఉంటుందండి.
Sir, please leave your contacts, sir, so that we will be in touch. Please be in the group, in our group.
Yeah, it
So
is there.
we'll work together.
But this has to be in implementation is a bigger job. That has to be done by this colonel and all.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
That is a big job.
We are talking, we have to make the younger generation to come forward and take
Manmohan Reddy garu, every
Sir.
individual is important.
Sir.
Every individual is important.
Yeah.
Not only Rao garu and Kanan garu, but even Manmohan Reddy garu is equally important.
Yes.
It's important, but I will be there in the implementation part. I feel like playing my role over there.
That's all we want from you.
Yeah, because I am into this kind of children remedial measures since last 20 years.
That's all, sir.
Results come through you only. Results come through you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Namaste to everybody. I'm very happy that you gave a right direction under the able leadership of our Dr. T.B. Seshkumar and all the eminent speakers over there and modulators, particularly modulators, Rao Garu and all.
Namaskar.
Anchorers are needed, sir. We need anchorers, good anchorers to get the right information.
Yes, sir.
That's
I agree.
very.
Our Wells we want like a catalyst to promote all these things.
This is missing, sir. We don't know how to take this.
That's what I realized. People are working individually. I have seen in Hyderabad there are at least 50 to 60 organized working for production of Sanatana Dharma.
No, more than that.
Individually.
No,
But if all these people are combined together, then we can do miracles.
No, all of them are doing their own, but now we wanted to do it not as a part-time, time pass, evening class, Sunday class. We want that to be fully in the structured way.
Yes. So when we started in 2016, that is the main motto. That's why we had clubbed 14 organizations to start that national seminar. 14 organizations were being brought forward. And next 2017, we brought 26 organizations together. So that's how we want to develop, but afterwards it has taken some back seat. But again, I want to do an online now that thanks to the COVID.
No, this has to take a radical approach. Then only really we can address this kind of uncertainty. That's what unknowingly we have invited.
No,
sometimes getting back seat because of weekend. Some negative comments by some people, of course. And all these things are politically back.
Sir,
radical approach is possible when there is Manmohan Evans with us. Radical approach is possible when Manmohan is along with us.
We and here no sir. I play the back. Front end is my Guruji, that Dr. T.P. Sasikumar. Behind that, I am running the show.
Yeah, very nice. Very nice.
Hey, Prabhakarji, we start the first batch on 21st, Saturday, Sunday.
Sure, sir.
Mentors training.
Sir, we will support.
Mostly we will, we have not decided where, which venue, but we will
start. How to go about, please guide us.
Yeah.
I will publicize in my groups.
Yeah, we will have the first mentors program.
Yeah, let us be in touch. I will be in touch with you.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Sasikumar.
Yeah, boliye Babu sir.
I just wanted to ask you, what is the way forward?
See, we identify either schools which are not running, none of them are running online classes for nursery, LKG, UKG up to grade 3. So we are going to have one single room class for nursery to grade 3.
Okay.
The first motto is in 1 year we are going to teach 100 Subhashitam Sanskrit slokas, little from Bhagavad Gita.
Okay.
You can see approximately 100 of them on my own YouTube.
Okay.
Which are 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Okay. I have got a book called Nitya Sloka, which is also downloadable from my website. That will systematically tell you what prayers from morning till evening we have to chant. They are all small slokas.
Okay.
We will teach all of them. If you do that, they will understand lot of different vocabulary in Sanskrit.
Okay.
I am sure all the English mediums, nursery, LKG, UKG was doing only Tingle Tingle Little Star. We will have at least a few Sanskrit slokas memorized by them. Not students alone, compulsory their parents and mentors have to by heart it.
Okay.
We will do that training program at least in 10 schools around Hyderabad immediately. Mehboob Nagar, there are people, Warangal, there are people who wanted to start, Pune, there is somebody who wanted to start. All of them joined here today. So we will start this at different places. The local language, storytelling, moral classes, all such things will run. It will be like a flexible class. It could be community based gathering together. It could be a business model for somebody who wanted to make the earning. But compulsory, the students and parents are part of this. So we will have like a family life together. We will run this continuously for the next 3 months. Maybe by February, March, April, we must have these clusters mixing together, sharing their experience and then showing.
Okay, okay.
So maybe there can be little grandmother, grandfather sort of people at these clusters. They may add few values.
Okay.
We will give that freedom. So that when they come together, we get a mix of different things. It could be storytelling, it could be activity based programs and all that. Then slowly the higher students of age 7 and 8, we will start giving them the meaning, idea, and I am sure when these children mix with them, they will also share this. You understood? And then maybe age 7 and 8 we will give them real English knowledge. 4, 5, 6, 7, that age they will have little bit of logic, asking questions, understanding, learning the world around, life skill, planting trees, planting water, looking at, probably if they don't have, we will have a campus where we can do that. We have identified, that is why we are doing it in different places. One we did in Pragati, second one we did in Miyapur. There is a Dharmapuri temple.
Okay.
They have a campus. Now it needs little bit of greenery. Otherwise they have Goshala there, temple there, big hall. So we can conduct programs. We will identify at least 4, 6 such places all around. And then we will have clusters which will meet people together.
Okay.
So the next 1 week up to 20th, before starting, I wanted to have cluster meetings. That's why Kairali told that in their school they will call the parents and teachers, and I have to spend 3 days. Maybe you could also join. Yeah, Prabhagar.
In school from Geeta Lakshmi Ongol, Geeta Lakshmi Garu is on the line.
Yeah.
I don't know whether she would like. Geeta Lakshmi Garu, would you like to share your views? Geeta Lakshmi ji.
Hari Om, Namaste sir. Namaste Guru.
Please talk to Shesh Kumar and please exchange your views.
No, actually,
you have excellent school there.
I have exchanged and I am very eager to start from this year, right now.
Yeah, right now. There is no academic year for us, Geeta Lakshmi Garu.
Yes, yes. Right
Our
now.
academic is every moment.
Yes, yes. Actually, we have been teaching children Bhagavad Gita slokas in Vishnu Sahasranama.
Yeah.
Many students, they can chant Vishnu Sahasranama in our school.
Wonderful. You must look at my YouTube. I have got a full sloka by sloka Bhagavad Gita explained.
Yes.
Beautiful slokas picked up. Vishnu Sahasranamam is in Malayalam, so you may not understand that.
Okay, sir.
Okay, explanation.
Okay, definitely I will go through.
Immediately, Nimisham Jolitam Srayam Nadu Dhuma Yudum Chiram. Let us not be like fire inside and smoke outside.
Yes, yes.
We have fire inside and then brightness outside.
Yes.
Ante kada,
Yes,
Prabhagar ji.
Dhanyavad.
Yeah, Colonel Babu Garu.
Please, Sripada, Dr. Padmini Garu. Dr. Padmini, would you like to add something? She is not there. Padmaja Garu, Wakati. Okay. Lakshmi, Pradeep, would you like to speak? Kiran Kumar Reddy, would you like to speak?
I think
No, sir. Joseph Reddy is there. Joseph Reddy.
Are you on? Okay.
Geeta Lakshmi, you can fix a date and then we will be there at Ongol.
It's a good school, sir, Ongol.
Yeah, let her fix the date with the parents and teachers together. We will fix and then start.
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure.
Dr. Babu Garu.
Yeah, what shall we do next?
Nice knowing that, sir.
Yeah, okay. Very nice.
So, one is, starting, another one is sustenance,
Yeah,
How do you sustain this?
yeah, that is what we want, probably including the training part, including that has to be the parents' responsibility. And we make sure all of them, probably today's option is open schooling. So we register there from open schooling with a CBSE accreditation when they reach up to 10th class. We will continue with the same pattern after 5th also.
Okay.
Yeah.
Say for people who are at the age of 7 and 8 now,
Yeah.
what is their syllabus? I mean, what we are going to teach them now?
We will equip them equivalent to, assume that somebody is an international level 4th class, whatever they are supposed to learn, exactly that will be between 7 and 8 age.
Okay.
We will equip them. Because 3 things, if you have see, until December, because of COVID, I was not physically out. January 13th only I started going out. I was teaching KL University as a mathematics professor. My PhD is in mathematics.
Okay.
Even the BBA, MBA students, what I was teaching was logical reasoning, analytical skill, mathematical ability. It's almost zero. They don't. If you ask them, do you know addition? They know only 3 plus 4. If I give 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4, it's not in the number system at all. They forgot all that. The base is
almost zero.
Base is lost. Base is lost.
It is zero.
It is zero.
It's not almost dead zero. He says zero.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what we need is at least that age 4, 5, 6, if we can make the logic perfect, we will have a lot of games, lot of activity based programs.
Now, are you working on Vedic mathematics?
I am there on Vedic mathematics. I teach.
Yes, good subject. Raymond Adanagar is doing it. Some more people are also doing.
Yeah, we could.
Yeah. That is one important subject we can start.
Yeah, to get to that idea of basic multiplication, addition, division and all that, Vedic mathematics helps a lot. Conceptually it will go inside. That's what I'm saying. It's not learning, it is understanding.
Understand.
So the understanding of the subject comes when they go slow into this.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sir, one request. See, we need to tell to these enlightened parents that how this weapon is going to really address their concerns and their insecurities.
See, that is why we want the youth. They are so-called great MBA, BBA people, engineering students also, along with the parents, at least a few of them as samples to show they lack the base, so they are suffering now.
This should be the precursor now for the class. Colonel is asking that how you are going to, what is the road ahead. See, that we want to say. The purpose of this is that what all this they have accumulated, this ill information, it is really creating big chaos. So to address this kind of a confused and uncertain world, we are going to really take this initiative and really address these things.
See, I am sure
we can make it a precursor.
I am sure most of the young parents understand this very fast. The young parents understand. By the time they become parents of grade 8th, 9th, 10th and all, they get concretized in the new syllabus. That is why we want to catch them at the young age, root. Once we do that, I am sure next year if we can show that our children can do wonders, the senior people also will come and in our path. We need only 1 year great effort. Next year we don't require marketing. People will come.
That's right.
Yeah.
First year is very, very difficult.
First year is not difficult, a little more. We have to, it's our Rahu Kalam. We have to give more effort.
So we have to bring the school managements, we have to bring the parents,
Yeah.
and we have to bring the teachers up to the mark.
No, we may not use the existing teachers in that. It is very difficult for them to mold into our system unless they are totally dedicated for this. If you have to teach here 2 hours, another 2 years, 2 hours, it will not work.
Yes.
Either they should tell that these teachers are dedicated for us and they will pay, or we will have young people who are unemployed. A lot of people are there who wanted to make a learning and earning parallelly.
That's right, of course, yes.
So we have to look at them.
Yeah, that is why we wanted to have like a graduate people who are looking for civil service. They want to have a big dream. We will take them and we will guide them along with this.
Yeah.
We will take their share of service, but we will serve them to get their goal also.
And the fourth one is the content at a nursery level. What type of toys, everything. What is to be prepared,
that we have.
And what that designing and other things and these things is required.
What modification, including the atmosphere modification, the flooring, everything I have done. One sample I can send. It is there on the video. I will show you that video.
Okay. That's good. And then I up to the higher levels also, one by one, this level.
We will add one by one. We will add. All of us will work together and then make it. Once we can. That is why we are not taking every step at a stretch. Let us do this for 1 year. Next year we will add the next.
Okay. Okay.
Good.
What shall we do next? We'll meet again Monday or
We will meet.
program you.
We will meet very soon.
Okay.
Maybe we will add a few more people from different. No.
You suggest us. I will make it happen.
Yeah. We will.
Thank you.
We will add. Thank
Next
you.
Saturday class is there. Next Saturday Leenaji lecture is there on Charitra.
Yeah. You can just send that message. We will also post it.
Next Saturday is a lecture on Charitra, on history of India.
We will post it.
Future wise, future history. How to do it like that.
Yeah. Sure.
Thank you.
Bye.
Namaskaram.